Hello, my friend. Welcome to my new video for Android application. Today I will show you new feature in Google Play Android Instant App or try it now. All that after this short break. If you are one of who download games and only after downloading this game you feel this as really boring or you don't like it at all, so in Google Play now there is this new thing that it's called Try Now, or that you can play the game without install it or download anything. Okay, for now it just works for these two games. It's called the Clash Royale and Final Fantasy. So I will show you what I mean. We write Clash Royale, and you see now there is this new button, like you see here. We have install, and there is another button. It's called Try Now. So if you click on Try Now, you can play the game without install it. So like we see now. Okay, shut up sound. Sorry. So welcome to Clash Royale. Let's say so. Destroy the enemy. I never play it. Okay, so you don't know what I'm doing. Okay, no, what I do? Okay, go. I really never play this game. Okay, I'll give them all this. Sorry. Now what I'm doing? Go. Kill them. Oh my god, it's lots of noise. I really did something. Okay, I have it. If you like the game now, you can download it. If you like the game, so you can now install it or download it. If you don't like it, just find another game. It works also for this game. It's called Final Fantasy. Final Fantasy. Just right click, and this one is the new Ampere here. And like you see now, we have Try Now. Also, we try it. I have never played this one. Also, I don't play a lot of games. Let's see this one. Also, Final Fantasy. What to do? Okay, conversation. Okay. Let's go. No. Okay. Let's just start. So they will put another section here for the try it now, I think. Okay, we get it. So it will be a section for this game. Okay, I'll put you the link in the description below if there will be any section. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more and more videos. My friends, see you next time.